Anxiety, as the name suggests, a condition of restlessness of the mind, insecurities. How does it come? There are two major reasons in the mind that leads to anxiety. Number one, unanswered questions. For example, there's some uncertainty in your mind. Will exam be okay or not okay? Will I be able to pass this or not? That leads to anxiety. Like just before a cricket match, finals, you get anxiety. Unanswered questions. Uncertainty leads to anxiety. And second is unsettled desires. These are the two very common reasons of people getting anxious. Number one, unanswered questions, uncertainty about the future, and number two, unsettled desires. Something that we wanted to do, but we could not do. That leads to anxiety.